in our future research, and by definition, with the spin-off company, extend our sort of distance from Google and our other competitors too. Does that answer your question? Perfect.
Last question.
Lady at the back.
You said that mobile search is inherently geographic, but I use my mobile device as the computer that I have to hand when I search for any sort of ad hoc query. So, can you decouple geographic search from a general search? Are you conflating the device with the kind of search?
Yeah, I'll come in quickly and answer that. You can. I mentioned the Spirit project, which is work that's been done mostly on the document side and the desktop side of things. And they have split the sort of Google aspect, if you like, the semantic search, from the geographic aspect, so where you are. So yes, in answer to your question, they can be decoupled. The user needs study that we conducted wasn't actually based on the queries returned from a sort of search engine, a web page, if you like. It was based on user shadowing, so it's a very unique form of content generation. So that's probably why that headline figure of 60% might have surprised you. Do you want to add anything, Richard?
I think pretty much covered.
That was multing your words. So no more questions. We're going to hand over now to Vettel and Rehan, who are co-editors of Journal of Location-Based Services.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vettel and this is Rehan Ahmet. We are co-editor of the Journal of Location-Based Service. We just want to give you the brief summary of how presentation went. We thank you for taking your time. You enthusiastically participated in this presentation session. This research involves two aspects. First, an understanding of why users prefer mobile search, and second, an understanding of how geographic component is combined with mobility environments. Presenters described that mobile search does not require a new paradigm, but requires page ranking with additional geographic functionalities. What's more, they try to demonstrate the purpose of why they chose the way of disagree of assertion and supported the idea by giving case studies. During the presentation, they believed that geographical queries are essential for users while manipulating mobile search, and they gave some percentages of geographical queries. You asked several questions which concern with geobookmarking in web park and future research of this issue, monitoring and static search, and the difference between the static search and geographic search while handling this mobile search. And now, before questions, my colleagues gonna talk about page ranking techniques, which take into consideration much more than now.
Hello everybody. Thank you very much for your time and participation. Well, after a presentation session, we all have an idea that page ranking is appropriate for desktop searches, but it does not provide a complete solution to mobile search because of the limitations in terms of hardware and software in a mobile device, and the irrelevance of desktop search results in terms of time and location, which is essential for a mobile environment. Mobile users need a time and cost efficient results, as we all know. As described by presenters, there are still potential weaknesses and some gaps which are still available in adapting just plain page ranking technique to mobility environment. Besides having several limitations in terms of speed, memory, and representing data, mobile searching leverages from the location awareness feature.
Apart from PC search engine, geographic location-based service and geographic filters are responses to needs of mobile individuals. Documents which already exist in database are come up based on relevance ranking, while ranking according to geographic concern, as well as respect to textual subject issue by using geographic filters called spatial proximity and prediction. Bear with me, results are ordered by using relevance ranking, not use page ranking techniques, which we are familiar with static search.
Furthermore, geographic filters can be utilized as an additional feature for mobile search, like in WebPark project, which is based on spatial proximity and prediction, which are the types of geographic filters. However, right now the case study only focuses on specific fields by taking tourism agencies and national parks into consideration. But on the flip side, it can be expanded further in the future into entire mobile world. And at the time when implementing it into the entire mobile world, it raises a potential issue for existing mobile unaware web pages because it is essential to make search and it is essential to make each and every existing web page, especially reference to fetch query results according to the location of mobile user. In short, mobile search is geographic. And now we are going to give you a brief summary about question and answer session. You asked several questions about future and all, and
Geo-bookmarking in web part, and static search, geographic search.
The very important question asked is about the future, and the answer given by the presenter is really satisfactory. That is adding context to existing searches with respect to the geographic filters. And I would like to say that as long as this research, and I can see this is the future of mobile searching, because it's a sort of blessing for a mobile user to get appropriate search results from the location he asks question from. And secondly, you asked question about webpack bookmarking. I think that's important, monitoring of a content, and it has to be done, it has to be implemented. And that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.